As I grew up in an Asian household, I never got the opportunity to eat traditional American foods, most notably the all American peanut butter and jelly sandwich. The closest thing I made to a sandwich was these Chinese baos with various meats inserted between them. But now that I'm a grown adult and have power over my food choices, I will show you how to make a PB plus J sandwich. You want to start with two pieces of bread. Get some peanut butter. I currently only have smooth peanut butter, but if you want crunchy, you can just get some nuts, take your favorite nut crusher, and sprinkle the nuts over your peanut butter, and there you have it. Get a knife and lather some peanut butter onto your bread slice. If you're scared of sharp objects and very injury prone like me, then you can use another utensil, like a spoon, or a fork, or a pair of chopsticks, or a single chopstick. Or you can take a pair of chopsticks and transfer the peanut butter to a ladle, which you can then put into your radiation machine for 2 minutes, and then you pour your liquidy peanut butter goodness all over that naked piece of bread. Now get your jelly. Use your preferred kitchen utensil to spread your jelly apparatus onto the bread slice. Now, the moment of truth. Place one slice over the other slice and give them some private time to gently mesh. And there you have it, the perfect peanut butter and jelly sandwich. If you ever get bored, there are ways you can diversify your sandwich. You can put it in your freezer and have an ice cream sandwich. Put it in your radiation machine and you have a really hot sandwich. Now, to plate the sandwich. You can either eat your sandwich whole, or into halves diagonally, or halves vertically, or into cubes to make it look like a nice fancy treat, or into a friend to satisfy your longing to be heard and have someone to talk to. Hey man, how you doing?
Not good. I don't think I'm good as the other breads. I wish I was better like everyone else.
Jelly, bro, I know life's not ideal right now. It's easy to get caught up with what you don't have. You might not have the girth of a loaf or the smoothness of a Chinese bun, but you do have something they all don't have that's more special. You have peanut butter, an eternal partner, someone willing to pair up with you, for better or for worse, for richer or poorer, in sickness and in health, until death do you part.
Wow, I didn't realize I had so much. I can be grateful for what I have. In fact, I should be grateful.